Score 30-36. Alright, form your team now. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. At parang sobra. Sobra? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Tama pala. Akala ko sirapan na bilang. May tubig tayo nasa may door side. Okay? May yellow na yan. Diyan natin nilagay para protected yung court. Hindi mabasa yung wood court natin. Alright. Let's now go to our next game. Start na, Mara. Pinost ko lang. Tayong oras na yan eh. Sige lang. Naka-hold yung time. Start na kayo. Sige. Naka-record ang time. Okay. Sige. All good? 16 minutes and 20 seconds. Out of bounds. Australia. Good. 15 minutes and 45 seconds. Ali, so good. Trial. Basket, 2 points. All two, tama? All two. Paredes. Ali going down. Binantayan. Dumiretso. Basket, 2 points. 4-2. 4-2. Australia. Reyes. Up. Fourteen minutes and 20 seconds. Australia. Fourteen minutes remaining. Score is 4-2 in favor of Wallside. So good. Australia. Two points. 6-2. 12 minutes and 45 seconds. Score is 6-2. Basket 2 points. Score 6-4 in favor of Wallside. Oh. No good. Easy, easy. 12 minutes remaining.
Next week po.
Next week pa. Australia. Very good.
2 points.
2 points. North side. All 6. 11 minutes and 30 seconds remaining. Ready for game 3. Curve. Campilan. Lumbera. Lumbera. 2 points. 6-8. Last 11 minutes. Game 3. Lumbera. Lumbera. Agleron. Rivera. Group of Amorante. Barion. 10 minutes and 50 seconds remaining. Next game, Thursday, 6 p.m. Same place, Alfredo Sports Center. Out of Australia. Diretso. Basket, 2 points. 6-10.
Wala.
15 seconds before change court. "45 seconds before change court. Score 6-10 in favor of Northside. 6-10 for 2. No good. Rebound. Ali. Out of bounds. "15 seconds before change court. No good. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Change court. Score 6-10 in favor now of the Wolves side. Change court. Running time. 8 minutes and 30 seconds. No good. Easy, easy.
Easy lang ko yung break. Ilang pa rin.
8 minutes and 18 seconds. Score 10-6. Paredes. Nakuha ni Ali. Diretso. No good. Isa pa Ali. Makatalikod na. One more. No good. Rebound by Alvin. Oh, okay. Paredes. Australia. No good. 7 minutes and 40 seconds. 10-6 to score. Basket 2 points. Set 8 in favor of the wall side. Paredes. So good. Alvin. Pass to Ali. Easy basket. 2 points. All 10. Last 7 minutes. So good. Rebound. Pass to Ali for 3. So good. Rebound again. Paredes. Rebound. Nakuha ni Paredes. 6 minutes and 40 seconds. The score is all 10. Basket. 2 points. The score now is 12-10. 12-10. Travel? Ah, hindi kasama. Not counted? All 10. Oh, dito counted. 10-12. 10-12. 6 minutes and 20 seconds remaining. For 3. No good. Alvin, pass to. Nakuha ni VJ. Rebound. Rebound by Reyes. Pass to Ali. Foul. Okay, foul. 5 minutes and 55 seconds remaining. All 12. All 12. 5 minutes and 34 seconds remaining.
Ayun ang may score.
5 minutes and 20 seconds. The score is still all 12. All 12. Alvin to Ali for 3. No good. Rebound. Up. Oh, easy. Nice try, nice try, nice try. That was good. 4 minutes and 50 seconds remaining. Score is still all 12. Once again, attention. Game 3. Turn. Campilan. Score 14-12. Game 3. Kerr. Campilan. Lumbera. Lumbera. Agleron. Rivera. Group of Amorante. No good. Prepare for game 3. Last 4 minutes and 10 seconds. No good. Rebound by Reyes. Pinasa kay Reyes. For 3. No good. Nakuha ni Ali. For... Hindi pala. Pull up. Rebound by Alvin. Isa pa. Reyes. To Reyes. 2 points. 14. All. 14. 3 minutes and 45 seconds remaining. So good. Ali rebound. Tuloy. Up. 2 versus 1. Okay. Hindi nyo sinamahan. 3 minutes and 15 seconds. Alvin to Ali. Sinasa kay Gamboa. No good. Isa pa. 2 points. 14, 16, last 3 minutes. No good. Reyes, pass to Ali. Basket, 2 points. The score now is 14-18. 2 minutes and 45 seconds. Rebound by Ali. Dire-diretso. Basket, 2 points. Score, 14-20. 2 minutes and 30 seconds remaining. Basket, 2 points. 16-20.
Puro mo lang, matagaw ko. Init na initan na ako, init eh. Ay, sayang. Pumasok. Pumasok. Pumasok.
18-20.
Yung comedy nakaubad. Nangyari tayong mga laki dito. 2 points.
3 points. 18-22.
Yan, pinag-uubad dito yan. Parang cover eh.
1 minute and 38 seconds. Score is 18-22. Tataas lang score? Yes, sir. 18-24. 18-24. 1 minute and 25 seconds. Good. DJ for 3. Good. Rebound. Ayan. No good pa rin. Nakuha ni Reyes. Pinasa kay Reyes. Pinasa kay Ali. Dire-diretso. Pinasa kay Gabawa. Basket. 2 points. Last 1 minute. Score 18-26. Vijay. Basket. 2 points. 2 points. 20-26. 45 seconds remaining mga mare. Alvin. Pass to Ali. So good. Rebound. Kuha ni Gabawa. Detres pa. 25 seconds. Ayan. Basket. 22-26. 15, 14, 30, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Basket, 3 points. All winners, enlist your last name here. Score is 22-29. All winners for the leaderboard, write their last name on the box here. All game 3, count down. Once again, all winners, last name lang pare.